We didn't have any other breakouts this hour. Geo pushing down. Man, if EJ breaks, it's gonna be awesome. It's a very good setup. 4 hour and 1 hour are the same. And the good thing is, if we break, it's gonna be a 4 hour breakout too. That's the best thing here. Also, GBP news will be done in 3 minutes. Then we are clear. In 4 hours, there's some CAD news, but only CAD pair is going to be affected, so we're going to be good.
Yeah, I really hope it will come. But it will be a big candle if it would.
We'll see, we'll see. Just hopefully we break. David, welcome back, my friend. Aussie dollar is a very good setup also. Hopefully get something, because we do have some setups. We just need a breakout. It's gonna be very nice. Is that Beytullah? Beytullah, no, Beytu is not here. That's Lejek.
That's even better than Beitu.
Yeah, Lejek is even better. This UJ got rejected pretty big. Look at this.
Tricked us.
Yeah, look at this. If only it would have been a better breakout, this would have been awesome. There's no way this happened. It just rejected and pushed all the way up. GJ also pushing a little bit. I'd rather still take EJ before GJ. Even though pretty big rejections here, and now it's trying to break. This could be awesome too. And also 4 hour close. It's just there's news on GBP. 1 minute left. Let's see what happens. Eid Mubarak to you, my friend. Eid Mubarak to everyone who celebrates. Thank you. Long time no see, yeah. But we're gonna be here from now on. Pretty much every day, hopefully. Either London or New York session. One of them. Today London, maybe tomorrow London, New York session. You never know. Maybe it's not gonna have any effect at all. Or let's see.
GJ looks good also. but I think we will need like maybe 15 pip break, because there where is the fake out, it's also level.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it needs a good break.
Hmm. The line is just based on the 4 hour.
Yeah. And it's a main level, but
Yeah.
there is also some smaller level on the top.
So I still would take EJ before GJ because I like it.
Yeah,
It's way better.
EJ,
The level is way stronger than on EJ.
but it's Friday, so let's see, maybe.
I totally forgot that's Friday today. Pretty slow till now. We have EJ and Aussie dollar. These two are gonna wait for until they come. It's gonna be a bit boring while we wait, but it doesn't really matter. Waiting to make money is not boring. The news were bad for GBP, and that's why GJ is dropping a little bit, but nothing big. We don't have like a massive move because of the news, but anything can happen from now on. GU is dropping. There's a level here in GU too, but it's tricky to enter if we want to take something here because we're like in we have two zones in between, and that could be a problem. We have another 30 minutes, and in these 30 minutes we need to break above this, close around 10 pips above at least, then a retest and fly for the rest of the day. For some time there was something that I was noticing on Fridays on JPY pairs. They were all dropping like after New York session or during New York session. They they were always having a big drop every Friday. Hopefully that doesn't happen today. %. Perfect, Lejek. Just continue. Every month, this is consistency. 3%, 2%, 3%, 3%, 2%. That's perfect. That is perfect. Just continue like this, and you're doing a great job. Look at these. Just some small pullbacks and big continuation. You are very bullish right now. keep going. Great job. If you have invested 5k, you would win almost no, April, July 23rd. Oh, no. What was January? No, this is not good. You started on January and there's no option to make it January.
Yeah, because I created this Darwin in my, but the previous was imported from another account.
Okay.
So, yeah.
But great job. UJ bullish? Yeah, it's very bullish, UJ, right now. EJ is very bullish too, giving us some hope that's gonna break and we can take a trade today. And Aussie dollar also is in the same position. We just need a break to the downside or to the upside. To the upside, we don't have much time to make a 20 pip move. It's gonna be hard for Aussie dollar. Could take some time to break above, even though a break above would be way better. We have free traffic for how much? 25 pips range to the upside? Great. There's no traffic on the left if we break to the upside. To the downside, we have a smaller range around 15 pips, but still good. We can still get something. It's gonna wait and see. Gonna take some time, but hopefully pays us at the end of the day. I like this. EJ trying to push. Have you guys heard about this broker? I'm good, my friend. I'm good. It's been a while and we're still here. No regulatory. Have you seen EURUSD and GBPAD? Both have pretty clean moves. Actually, my friend, EU and GA have been the worst lately. Look at GA. This is crazy bad. This whole consolidation is too bad. There's no clear direction right now in GA. It's not good at all right now. EU was good until the news came yesterday and it made this whole chart very bad. Because we had plans once it breaks above this, we're gonna take it. But the news destroyed our plans. Went all the way up without us, then after it made a fake out, and now we're just rejecting the support and pushing. We have another small zone around here, so I guess we're just stuck in this consolidation for now. There's no progress made yet, so I'm gonna wait and see what happens. Right now there's nothing there. This is our best chance for now. EJ is right at resistance. We only need another 10 pips push and we break this, then we have a double confirmation, both 1 hour and 4 hour breaking. Can't be better than that. And we have Aussie dollar, so these two setups, whenever they come, we should be ready. Are gonna do another 1 million challenge this year? I don't know, we might do it. we might do it. But thing is, doing a $1 million challenge on simulator, it's not very realistic, to be honest. We all know that because first of all, the risk is not used properly. You have to use big risk to reach that. And it takes a long time. Takes a long time, especially these days. Have you seen how, you know, slow the market is? So it's a pretty big problem to flip accounts in these days. I used to flip accounts easy back in the day, not too long ago, but just recent weeks, for example, it's you don't really have big moves to flip accounts like that because it can go a whole weekend. You barely get one or two trades in a good setups. There's a lot of consolidation. There's no clear direction. There's no good trend happening right now. If you look at all pairs, 80% of them are just ranging, nothing big. I'm in break even this week, a small profit, call in a week. Great. As long as you don't finish with a loss at the end of a week, it's great. It's progress. Can you share the software used for challenge simulator? You can just search SoftFX simulator. Something like this on the chat. You can search and you can get it. 1K down on my FTMO. Why, my friend? As the DJPY had ooh, it is breaking. Thing is, it's not very clean. We have a lot of rejections here. And it feels like there's another zone. So when breaking above might cause us some problems. If as DJPY breaks and EJ breaks too, then we take EJ. Otherwise would be not very risky, but it's going to be a risky setup. And the DJPY respects zones a lot, and coming from this zone could be a little risky. What if it doesn't reach this? It comes from here for a retest. Let's see. I mean, there's a 10 pip break, and the zone is a little lower. The only problem that we have is this zone. We might not even come for a retest here. It might continue straight to the upside. Gold is dropping. See, gold has not been stable either. It's pretty bad movement. Japanese market is closed today. Would you still take a trade in JPY pairs despite low volume? Well, I don't know if there's low volume. Look at the moves on JPY pairs.
But anyway, normally also Japanese market is now not open, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah. EU is strong, so that's the good thing for us. As long as it goes to the upside and breaks above this, we're gonna be good, I think. I wouldn't expect a fake out in this zone. It's too strong. Too strong to give us a fake out here.
NJ looks good also.
SDJPY?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we have this zone here. It's not very safe. Yeah, and nothing's happening. It's very, very slow. It is very slow right now. I was just looking at gold and I said, let's see if it's gonna respect the zone, and it didn't. It didn't respect the support here. All the way it dropped to the downside. Now let's see if it's gonna respect the resistance if it breaks below. If it goes all the way up, you know that it doesn't respect levels good, and gold is hard to trade. How you see the EU? I see the EU just like you do, and EU is just consolidating. As I said before, a break below this could be pretty good. Not gonna lie, cause it's a nice level here. But are we gonna get that? I don't know. We'll see. EJ buys I got in 129,978. 129,978. You got in buys here? Interesting. Even though I don't know how you entered here while it was pushing.
Tell us before now, bro, next time.
Lejek, what did you say? Sorry, I was on the phone.
I said to the guy that, yeah, that he should tell us before next time, so we also can take profit.
No, no, I wouldn't take it while it was pushing actually, because we don't trade like that. But good for you, my friend. Good catch. Now, good thing that you secured your profits also, because it already got rejected. As you can see, it's a big zone. It might have some difficulties to break above. So perfect.
Yeah, but I will be watching EJ for next few hours for this level. It's
Yeah,
very good.
I'm gonna be watching it too. Legit sounds like Russian. No, Lejek doesn't sound like Russian at all.
maybe.
No, no, no. Russian sounds different. How you see USD CAD, how you see USD JPY, they're all just consolidating, nothing big, my friend. See, USD CAD is still same place. For CAD, we do have some news later on, high impact news. We'll see how big the impact it's going to be, but probably not much. I don't know. I'm not sure. We'll find out later, but that's in 3.5 hours, so plenty of time. It's still in this consolidation box. I would like for USD CAD to stay here at least for today too, because Monday maybe we break and we get a chance. If the news are going to have big effect or impact on the price today, we might lose the chance to enter after breaking this consolidation box. So I would really like to for price to stay here. And UJ is already gone. What can I say? There is no really chance to take anything here because we have levels after levels. This was our best chance, but it got rejected and we didn't get a chance to enter. AUDJPY, yes. Yes, Nick. AUDJPY is pretty good. This 4 hour is a little bit sketchy. Let's see. No, I think if the 1 hour closes strong above this, we're gonna take it because it should be good to go all the way up. There should be no problem after breaking above this. Can you please tell us about the funding challenges? What can I tell you? Hand selling zone of USD. No, no, don't sell USD JPY. It's not the best option there. It would be a very bad decision actually just to sell it because there's no confirmation to sell USD JPY. Stay away from that opinion you have. It's not a good idea. The best idea is to wait for a breakout, to take the retest and go with price together. Funding challenges, what can I say? I mean, you guys are lucky to have these opportunities these days. All these challenges, all these problems, I mean, we're pretty lucky. People are passing them or are making money with them. It's great. For as long as it goes, it's a great chance. No problem with them. As long as they give you money, give it a go. Pass the challenge, make money until they are gone. Faris, welcome, my friend. And why are you talking to me in Serbian language? I'm Albanian, my friend. Turkey, ne zaman geleceksin? John, I don't speak Turkish, my friend. I have a friend that speaks Turkish, but he's not here now. He would give you an answer. We have 1 minute left, and EJ got rejected. We are so unlucky. Is Albania communist? No. Albania was once upon a time, but that was long time ago, my friend. I'm actually from Kosovo, but it's a we're one nation, two different countries. When are you going? When are you coming to Turkey? I don't know. What can I say? I don't know when. Maybe I'll come one day. I was in Turkey a few months ago. I was, and I visited Beytullah. I visited Beytu. No, Beytu is not in Turkey, but one day we will be together with Beytu in Turkey and eat some kebabs together. Come to Dubai. I was on Dubai also, and I met a friend from YouTube on Dubai. I don't know if he's here. Probably he didn't see us go live. Gabby, I met Gabby in Dubai. USA, no. To USA, I haven't been to USA. We don't have visas yet, so it's like living in a third world country. No visa yet. Here we go. We have a 4 hour close. Unfortunately, not the best for us. If we had a 4 hour close on some pair at least, would be great. But EJ failed to break above. Doesn't matter though, we can still have a 1 hour breakout later on. A day's long, still gonna be a lot of time for a breakout here. We have another, I mean, like 6 hours that we can still take a trade. So we do have time. We do have time. Just have to wait.
Yeah, no news for EJ, I think.
Yeah, we're clean from the news. After the CAD news, we are free.
There's some dollar news. Medium impact.
Medium impact. We'll see. These news usually are high impact.
Yeah, they changed it.
Let's see. Yeah, medium impact too. Can you check GJ? There's nothing there, my friend. Jeff Bezos went to space.
What this say said, I think like good close on GJ could be also good. Like we spoke
Um,
before. But it
I
have
don't
to
know.
close above this.
Yeah, see now we have another 4 hour candle rejecting. One, two,
Mm.
three, four, five, six, seven 4 hour candles closing below. I mean, this is a pretty good level. Can't deny that. But we're gonna need a good close above. Yeah, this is another maybe small zone here.
Yeah, at least
So
five pips maybe above that.
yeah. If I'm gonna take this, I need a breakout, pretty good breakout.
Yeah,
It's gonna be like a 20 pip breakout if we want to have a close above this too.
Yeah, it will
So
be
we'll
hard to
see.
take it anyway.
We're gonna have to wait and see. Still, I'm with EJ and Aussie dollar also if it breaks. I mean, if price stays here for the whole day, there must something there must be something wrong with it. This monitor just turned off. I don't know what the hell happened. Looks like it's gone. I guess it's gone. Give me a second, I'll be back. Okay, okay. Have you lost some weight? No, I'm pretty much the same. I just grew my hair, as you can see. Anything gonna work now? Right now, we don't really have anything. We're just waiting and waiting and waiting until something shows up. We have two main setups coming, but they're taking time. They're taking some time and we need to wait. How many trades we had this week, guys? Last trade was GJ, and before that we had EJ half risk, and before that, what did we have? We had CAD JPY, but CAD JPY was the other week, so 2 trades this week only. Not a big move. Would you take GJ if it closes above 151.800? We talked about GJ. GJ needs to break this whole consolidation box because there's another small level at 151.900. So you gotta be careful. We need to break this whole consolidation box. And it's a pretty big move to happen. But yeah, if we get a good close above, we might take it. 1.37 No, I don't understand. You mean buys here on GU right now? Just because there's support doesn't mean that price is gonna go up, because it can break that support just like it breaks every other support and resistance. So it's not a good enough reason to buy GU because there's support here. Yeah, we need more confirmations. We need a valid reason or why should we buy GU. And it's coming from a very strong zone. So what do we have here? I might have found something very good here. Look at this. This zone is very strong. And we have a 4-hour close below that. The problem is that we need to come all the way where the breakout candle started, which is a little bit risky. But last time we had this, it worked out perfectly. Where, as you can see on the chart here, see this? We had the breakout, we made the retest. It had to come all the way almost where the breakout candle started, and look at the rejection after. Same thing is happening. This might be very good, to be honest. This might be good. And the 1 hour needs to come a little higher. The 1 hour with the 4 hour are not matching fully. So that's one thing that I don't like. If we're just gonna base it on the 4 hour, then we have to just delete the 1 hour time frame, because it's going to be a whole different situation in the 1 hour. If we just want to focus on the 4 hour, then we might make it work. This setup could be good. I'm not fully sure if I want to take this, but there's a good chance this could be a very nice setup. The other thing is that it's coming from another support. So these are the bad things and good things. If we had more good things than bad things, we would maybe take it. Looks like there's a new option on YouTube to create a poll. Due to buy? No, there's no setup right now. I was talking about sells on the 4 hour because it broke that level. A weird poll has been published. It's a very close one until now. Let's see what people think. Aussie dollar is pushing up. This is a good sign. If we're pushing up, we're gonna get a perfect setup here. It's gonna be very nice. Let's wait. Gabby, how are you, my friend? I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. How are you? Oh, good. That's great to hear. That's great to hear. How's Dubai? I saw something on somewhere. I read some news. I read some news that Dubai created artificial rain the other day because it was like very hot. Is that true? I saw some videos. They stimulated the rain. I don't know how, but that's crazy. Fun happens. Where are you, my friend? How are you? They add electrical charge to clouds to stick. Yeah, I read that. It's pretty crazy and nice. It's very, very nice. Hope everything's fine over there. Yeah, everything's perfect. Thank you. Hopefully, same for you. Guys, it's just crazy how what people can do now. You know, it's pretty crazy. Just like with rain, probably they can do it with snow too. Because I think last year in Canada they did something like that with snow. Because people were claiming it was not real snow or something. I don't know. China has 4 days rainfall and causes massive flood. Everywhere is raining right now, lots. In my country too. In my country too. It happened in several countries all across Europe, and we were also on that list. Where have you been? I've been here. I've been here. Just had things to do, like everyone has. Wait, wait, let's see. We do have another possible setup here. Cat JPY, even though we miss some more rejections here, but it might give us something. I would like to see a rejection or two, maybe, then a break. That would be perfect. How many pairs do you trade? One at a time. But I have a list here I can show you on my right side. These are the pairs that I look at, and I try to find a trade in one of these. But I don't trade half of them, maybe. I just keep them here. I like to see if there's something, you know. But the pairs that I trade most of the time are these. See, these are my favorite. Then there's some stupid pairs that I trade too. They give sometimes good setups, sometimes they don't. And we have some others pairs too. NZD here, for example, we have 100% record on it. We never lose on SDJPY. and we trade it when it gives us a chance. It doesn't give chances every day, but when it does, they are pretty good. AUD mostly we never trade this. AUD maybe once in 5 months we get a chance on it. Gold, we don't trade gold. UJ, we usually, when we take UJ, we end up closing at break even because it doesn't move. It's very slow. Your CAD, we trade it sometimes. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. GCAD is the worst pair in the last year. It caused did it we got a loss the other week I think on GCAD. Did a pretty big fake out because it's not for trading GCAD right now. It's very unstable. EURNZD is good. We trade EURNZD. It gives us chances sometimes. CAD also is a pretty good pair to trade. Respects levels very nice. GA is very volatile. We trade it once in a 1 or 2 months when it gives us a chance. AUD dollar is good. Aussie dollar is good. EA is good too. It's very volatile sometimes, so should be careful when you trade it. EJ and EU also are very good. We trade them whenever they give us a chance. And we have these three pairs that I like the most, where we have the most of our trades in these pairs. Once one guy from the group made like he counted all the trades we take, and USD had the most trades, and we had the highest win rate on USD So USD is good, but lately it's not been giving setups that much. We're gonna wait for this hour too. I don't want to go too early, even though we've been just waiting, but doesn't matter. I want to stay for this hour too to see if we get any chance or not. If we don't, then can't do anything to change that. We have to wait then for another hour, and we'll see if we get anything. Aussie dollar. If Aussie dollar goes bearish and comes all the way down, closes below, that would be the best setup we can get. Hopefully we get something. If not, we move on. We have New York session 2, so there still might be a chance later on. We don't give up. If not, then we wait Monday, and Monday we come back again. Hopefully. What is your risk reward? 1 to 1 most of the time. While you are at it, try doing some crypto trading. Uh, I don't think I wanna do that. If I'm ever gonna try crypto, it's gonna be Bitcoin probably when it drops to like 10, 15K. Otherwise, I'm just gonna watch. Just waiting for that drop. And when it drops, then I'll be involved. That's an undercover Mr. Saunders, probably. That's probably true. How long have you been trading? Oh, it's been a while. Since 2016. Can I say I'm a professional now? Because I have 5 years experience.
I think you are sad because professionals are living out of the profession they have. This is the definition.
How? I didn't understand. Oh, yeah, yeah. You
Yeah,
mean they live from the money they make?
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess. I guess I am.
USD cat also can be good.
Look at this. Look at this break and retest on USHF. How good is this? Wow, this looks perfect. I'm just gonna look at this if it works. So the next time I can maybe consider taking a trade here. You blew 2 accounts in 2015. How about you? Yeah, I did blow some accounts back in the days, of course. Just like everyone when it starts. Thing is, I went live straight. You know, I didn't open a demo account when I started. I went straight live because I was very, very excited to start. And I told you guys about this before, but if some of you didn't know, my first trade was crude oil. I don't know why the hell I traded crude oil on the first day of my trading, and I did it live. Starting trading career with crude oil. And of course I lost. Even though it took me some time to blow the account because I was not using big lots. Because I was just trying to figure what's happening, how does it work, and these kind of things. Because I had no idea what I was doing. And little by little, here we are. And the DJPY is coming for that retest probably, but as you can see, it's rejecting this resistance too. So it's a pretty risky setup. And taking bites is risky. Losing big money is experience, of course, a learning experience, but if you don't learn from them, that's the bad thing. If you blow big accounts and you're still making same mistakes, that's the worst thing actually, because you're not gonna progress at all. It means you're not progressing and you're doing the same mistakes over and over again. Blowing an account, okay, you learn something, you don't repeat the same thing again, and you just go up from there. What percentage return do you target weekly? If I can make 1% weekly these days, I'm pretty happy. Pretty happy because we're not just we're not having plenty of setups. But I'm in a position where I risk more now, so it's not exactly 1%. I mean, I just need a trade in for the whole week, and I'm done. You getting pizza or burger right now? Probably burger. You know, I've been thinking which one I like the most, and I think definitely burgers, because you just have a lot more choices with burgers. But pizza is good also. I'm a big fan of food, so I like everything. No, mamma mia, ma che cazzo. How can we be 50-50, my friends? Like, this is very close. Pizza and burgers, it's 50-50 almost. Uh, AJ could be a good opportunity for a break and retest. Yeah, it is a very good opportunity if it breaks above. It's gonna be very nice, hopefully, if it breaks above. We have a great setup here. This one, EJ, Aussie dollar, we have plenty. Just EJ came too far now. Pretty big rejection from that zone. I kind of knew that it's gonna happen because it's a strong zone. It's not gonna break just like that without having a few rejections. You're still using guys in markets? Yeah, I am. I am using guys in markets. Uh, before they changed these rules, I was with Pepperstone, and then I don't know, the spreads are higher right now on Pepperstone. Now I'm back using IC markets again because spread is way better. And I'm trading on CTrader, so I'm enjoying it. CTrader is the best. I don't know how I didn't switch before on CTrader. I love CTrader. Big fan of CTrader.
said if you look on the CJ, does it
Yeah,
bother you the level 04 level? Yeah. Oh yeah, this one.
yeah. Actually, I don't have any plan to take CJ here because it's gonna be news. So
Okay.
I just
If
saw
it's
it as a chance, maybe for next week or something, when it gives a clean break above all this, and maybe we have some more rejections. But yeah, it would bother me, of course. I wouldn't take a break above this if it's coming from this zone, because see how good we respected before. So yeah, I'm not taking anything on CJ, but it's very slow market. EU is also pushing. Who knows? Maybe we break below. Are you using magic keys right now? Since I'm using C Trader, I can still use magic keys, but sometimes I don't need it, sometimes I need it. But I still use it sometimes. Yeah. Thing is, I'm using my phone also when I take trades because C Trader has the option on the phone where you can, close all your positions in one button. So that gives me like the chance to do it from my phone too. But on the phone you don't have the chance to put the stop loss and everything the way I trade. So still magic keys can be used for managing, risk and everything. What time is there right now? Time is 11:43 a.m. We have another 15 minutes to see if we're gonna get something. If not, we'll be done with the stream for today, but we're still gonna look for a trade later on. Well, it's not gonna be over yet. Sir, you guide me, okay? Come here, I will guide you. We need a break below 1.17600 on EU, which needs to be around 8 pips, maybe less, because it looks like it needs to go all the way too low for a 10 pip breakout. Okay, 7, 8, 8 to 10 pips would be perfect. So more than 7 pips, at least 7 pips breakout, and we can take it on the retest. That's it. You just need a break below. You can take the retest and EU should melt to the downside. Same goes with AUD US dollar. We need a break below 0.73600. Once it closes below a retest, and we should melt to the downside or the other side to the upside if it closes above 0.73870 or maybe not above 900. We can take the retest and we have free traffic almost 30 pips to the upside. So we have two good setups coming up. Another one is EJ, but EJ is a little bit too far right now. But we don't know. Maybe in the next few hours can still climb to the upside and break above. So we're gonna wait and see. The 4 hour was really promising before, but then we couldn't break and we got rejected. I can still see this going up, filling the wick on the 4 hour, then another push and we break above, then we have a good range to fill. It could be pretty good. On the 4 hour, looks like we have like a 40 pip range to the upside, so it's a pretty good chance to hold this even for long term. This could go all the way to 131, like a 100 pip move. It's just not this week, of course, because it's Friday, so we'll see. Will you watch Olympic Games? Of course. Probably I will. If I have time, yeah. What country are you in? I'm in Kosovo. What do you do other than trading? Have another business and I spend time with my family. I do stuff, regular stuff. I play games sometimes when I have time. These kind of things. Not anything special out of this world. What's your average take per day a week? You mean what percentage you aim to make per week or something? Does your family know you're a Viking? I guess they don't. How are you, Grant, my friend? You're playing CS. Nice. What level you are? How much profit? It all depends. It doesn't matter how much I aim for, because I have a different. I spend different than you or than the other people. It all depends how much you have, how much you need to go through a month or through a week. It all depends how much you spend, and then that's how you look and see how much you need to make, how much you need to aim for a week, how much you need to risk on a trade. Have you ever been to Africa? No, of course not. Too far from me. You should stream on Twitch, more viewers? I don't know. Traders don't really go on Twitch, I think. Twitch more for gaming. When you have a big account, 1% a week is good, of course. People don't realize how much 1% is. 1% a day is 5% a week, 20% in a month. You know how much 20% is? Do you know how much 20% is? How long you trading Forex? Since 2016. Are you trading crypto? No, I'm not. Africa is very known for trading. Like if you go to Instagram, all you see is millions, and all African traders making millions. All you see is blue, blue, and blue. Have you traded gold in the last 3 months? I think I took a trade like 3, 4 weeks ago in gold. So I don't know. Recently, if I took a trade on gold, I don't think so. From South Africa, we killing the market this side. Yeah, I'm seeing you guys. You guys are killing the market in South Africa. Everyone is a millionaire there. Crypto is very popular in Kosovo, especially mining. Yeah, I know. I know it's very popular. But not many have the knowledge. They're just going blindly, following what tweets are saying and these kind of things. There's not many that know the basics for crypto. Everyone has jumped into crypto trading just because they think they're going to be rich overnight. They all joined with a bad mindset, and I think it cost badly for plenty of them, for majority of them. I haven't seen anyone talk about crypto recently. You know, because there was some big drop and people were not ready for this. They thought that it's just gonna push up like all the time and never coming back. That's pretty bad. Hopefully they'll make it back once the bullish run starts again. Even though I think it's still not ready to push. There's gonna be some. It's gonna take some time to start to push again. It needs to drop a little bit more. And once they start to put some regulations and some stuff on crypto trading, it's gonna change. It's not gonna be like this all the time. How much time do you spend trading per day? Usually one trade lasts from 10 minutes to an hour or two. So we usually wait like 3, 4 hours for a trade maybe, and then when the trade comes, it only takes 10 minutes. We get what we want and we're done. So let me see, the last trade we took with the group was GBP JPY. So we took GJ at 11:10 and we were done at 11:40. That means only half an hour took us to make the percentage we wanted, and we were done. The point is, I am in a different position, and for example, my students are in a different position. I only need to trade for a week maybe. The more I make, the better. But it's what I need is only one, for example. But my students need more. Why? Because they don't have 5 years in the markets. They're new. They need more. They need more trades to pass challenges. They need more trades to make more experience. So we are in different position. One trade for me is enough, and for them is nothing. But the good thing is that we have a very, very good way to trade. All we need is a good account, a stable account, and once you get in that point where you're stable, you have a good account, it's all easy after that. It's all easy after that. All you need is a trade, and it's going to be easy to live off from forex. You know, markets are not that hard to trade. They're pretty simple most of the time. It's just hard until you get to that level. When it becomes pretty easy. Are the markets hard sometimes? There are. When there's a lot of news involved, there's a lot of things going on in the world. For example, when we had Brexit, when we had coronavirus, when we had vaccines, that was a hard time to trade because there were a lot of things involved, and you couldn't just take a trade based on a technical, even though we did great during that time. I don't know how we pulled out almost 10%. Almost we're 10% in profit during these hard months and weeks. Like it was crazy. And I always say if we pulled out some great returns in that time, what happens when we are clear from news and everything? When it's just pure technicals, we kill the market every day as long as it gives us a chance. And yeah, all you need is a good account. After you gain the skill, is easy. It's gonna be very, very easy. What is a good account? A good account is based on your life, how much you spend. I don't know how much you spend. You should know what's a good account for you. If you have, if you spend $100 per week, then you should see how much you need in your account to make an easy $100 per week, for example. It all depends how much you spend, my friend. Okay, from what it looks like, from what it looks like, there's nothing happening right now. We don't really have any setups. The candle is gonna close in a minute, and we don't really have anything. Do you think that forex market is 100% manipulated? No, it's not. It's not, my friend. It's not manipulated at all. Okay, guys, we don't really have anything right now. Another hour of waiting, it's gonna be, and I don't think we should wait another hour here. So I think we need to go. Do you have other social media or that use? Yeah, we use Telegram with our students. Telegram. This is the trade call room where I send all my trades that I take live. Every time I take a trade. This is it. This is where it goes. It goes live at current price with stop loss. I answer every questions we have, explain everything, and if we start to count the wins here, plenty of them. We have a lot of them. Can't even count all of them. It's too many. And soon, I'm only gonna give people a chance to enter this room, and not gonna do mentorship anymore. I have enough students. I can only give people a chance to enter the trade codes room, and the mentorship is gonna be over. So for today, have a nice day, guys. We'll keep in touch. If we get a setup, you know where I'm gonna send it, on the trade code room. As soon as the trade comes, it will be there. So for now, have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Take some rest. And see you. Thank you all for being here with me. Do indicators play a part in your trading? No. I never use indicators. We don't need them. How to join that? Uh, you can't now, but I'll make maybe some monthly something in the future. But right now, I don't really have anything uh, set up for this to join the trade code room. But if I make one, I'm gonna let you guys know. For now, have a nice day. Like I told you, we have some good setups coming, but I don't know if they're gonna come today or not. We'll wait and see. If you missed the explanations before, you can go and rewatch the stream where I told you guys what to wait for. So that's it for today. Have a nice day. Hopefully, I'll see you guys on Monday. See you for now. And also, the poll is done. Looks like people decided that burgers are better than pizza. That's what we got from the poll today. Next time is going to be a better question. I'm going to do maybe some trading questions on these polls here, and see what you guys think about trading and everything. Thank you guys. See you.